Hello friends, grab some paper because today we're learning how to make an origami crane. All you need is a square paper, and if it's an origami paper with one colored side, you'll start with that side facing up. Begin by turning the paper so it's like a diamond in front of you. Then bring the bottom point up to meet the top and crease it. You should now have a triangle. And you want to make sure that your folds are as precise as possible. This will make for a much better crane in the end. Now you'll open up your paper and fold the other way. Turn it over and you should see an X. Now fold your paper in half so it's a rectangle. Once you've creased it well, open your paper, turn it, and fold it the other way, again as a rectangle. Now when you open it, you should see that you've added a plus symbol to the X symbol that was already in your folds. Then, folding your paper with the creases you've already made, you'll bring these corners down to the bottom point. Press it all flat and you should have a diamond shape in front of you. Now fold the bottom right edge in line with the center fold. Be sure to crease it very well. Do the same on the left side, and make sure these two folds create a nice sharp point. Flip your paper over and do the same thing on the back. Next, you'll fold the top point down along this line. Alright, now comes the tricky part. Pay close attention. Open up all the folds on this side as well as the back. I'll flip it over again. Then I'll bring the bottom point up above the top point. Notice that I reach it up as far as it can go and that these two sides lie flat. Then turn your paper over and fold this point down along the line. Then repeat the same steps that you did on the other side, opening this piece up as wide as you can and making sure that the two sides lay flat. Make sure that at the bottom are the two pieces that are like legs. The legs should not be at the top. Now fold this bottom right edge into the center. Do the same thing on the left side. Make sure that those folds come to a sharp point at the bottom. Turn your paper over and repeat the same steps on this side. Now watch closely because this is another tricky part. You'll open up the sides, folding the front together and the back together. I'll show that to you one more time. You fold the front together and the back together, so it kind of looks like a Doberman's head. And fold this piece up to meet the top point. Do the same thing on the back. Pinch this side together along the center fold, and the same on the other side. I'll demonstrate that one more time. Just pinch the front together, and pinch the back together. Then you fold this piece down. This will be one of the wings. And do the same thing on the other side. This will be the other wing. Now bring this piece forward. This will be the neck, and I'll tilt this piece back. This will be the tail feathers. Then I'll open up this piece, tilt it down and pinch together, and that will be the head. You can also fan open the bottom so that the crane can stand up. And it's all done. How many cranes will you make? Thanks for doing origami with me today. Comment below if there are other things that you'd like to learn how to make. Also, click subscribe if you want more art videos, and we'll see you here next time to have some more fun making art.